My name is Aja Green. I'm a junior ballet major here at UART. The name of the piece is Beyond the Limit by Daniel Moore. Basically, the piece is about, like, we're just souls, basically, finding our way, whether that be from the afterlife to reality or the other way around.
My name is Daniel Moore. My show is February 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. I'm so nervous. The process has been very tedious. I'm pretty sure my dancers hate me. I've been texting them back and forth. But the foundation of my piece just stems from reincarnation. It stems from people being reincarnated into something else in some other form or the in-between. When you die, your soul is either taken to heaven or hell. That's if you're Baptist. That's what I believe in. Your soul is either taken to heaven or hell, or the in-between, which is limbo. And sometimes your soul lingers between the two. So if you're trying to venture away from limbo and trying to find your place and say, God, please take me in heaven, or if you're damned to hell, you're still in the in-between. So Beyond the Limits, which is my title of my piece, is just trying to find your way through all this chaos, whatever it was, either in your life when you were living, either you were a murderer or you were just a sickly person. It's just once you died and you're just complacent in limbo, trying to find your place between the two, trying to run and just vamp through everything. That's it. That's it.